Let me ask you something. What would your life look like if you could be, do, or have anything that you wanted? What if you could create a vehicle to bring you the income to realize all your dreams? And what if you could rid yourself of the health challenges you and your family have been plagued with? What would that mean to you? What would that mean for your family? Health is very simple. Your body is made up of trillions of cells, heart cells, lung cells, eyeball cells. All of these cells have a function in keeping that particular organ or gland working properly. They are the reconstruction crew of your body, but they need to be fed over 90 different nutrients on a daily basis in order to continue to work efficiently. Say you had a team of workers and technicians keeping an apartment complex in tip-top order. Well, what if one day you just decided to stop feeding them? How long would it take before they became less and less efficient? Well, the same thing is happening with the cells of our body due to poor nutrition. And if they are too malnourished, this is when the various diseases rear their ugly heads. Now, if most of your meals come from the drive-thru, then your food is processed beyond belief, removing most of the nutrients. And sadly, the goal is quantity, not quality. The number of families consuming fast foods also explains the rise in adult and child obesity and diabetes. But even if you think you're eating healthy, you might not be getting the nutrition that you require. Here's why. For many decades now, our soils have been overfarmed and therefore depleted of minerals and other nutrients our bodies require. So the nutrition we need is simply not in even the healthiest food. So we need to supplement. Well, there's lots of supplements out there. You can either consume a fistful of pills and capsules every day, or choose a liquid supplement. The physician's desk reference states that liquid supplements are absorbed up to 98%, compared to pills or capsules, which only allow 10 to 20% absorption. But what liquid supplement is good? Well, we have an answer to that question, and it is called Body Balance. Body Balance is a delicious, organic, liquid whole food formula made from organically grown aloe vera and 9 wild harvested sea vegetables. Aloe vera alone contains over 75 nutrients and 200 active compounds, including 12 vitamins, 20 minerals, and 18 amino acids. The inner leaf fillet aloe vera used in Body Balance is carefully harvested under low temperatures to protect the key polysaccharides. Why sea vegetables? Well, the mineral riches of the earth that have been washed into the oceans have been reclaimed by sea vegetation. These 9 different sea veggies provide a broad spectrum of trace minerals and phytonutrients. The sea vegetables are sustainably harvested from pristine ocean waters around the globe, primarily off the east coast of Canada. Moreover, every incoming lot has undergone a full gamma radiation test, and any material that doesn't conform to our strict guidelines is immediately rejected. There are no GMOs, nothing synthetic in Body Balance. And Body Balance adds no specific isolated nutrients. All of the nutrients in Body Balance are from superfood ingredients. Every ounce of Body Balance has over 121 nutrients, so your body is being fed exactly what it requires. Remember, what Body Balance is doing is feeding your body what it requires to fix itself. Don't you owe it to yourself and your family to be in peak physical condition as long as you're on this planet? Okay, so now we're on the right road to enjoying good health. But can sharing Body Balance produce an income? You bet it can. The formulator of Body Balance is Life Force International. They opened their doors in 1996 and operate facilities in Canada, New Zealand, Australia, and their world headquarters are here in the United States. Today, Life Force International is one of the most successful direct sales companies in the world. But ironically, many people still don't know about Body Balance. So your market is wide open. The pay plan is extremely generous, with an easy program to help you get your monthly auto ship for free. So order your Body Balance today and share this amazing product with the people you care about. Oh, and one more thing. We're sure that you'll love the Body Balance, But if for some reason you don't, there is a 90-day money-back guarantee. So what do you have to lose? Well, two things. You might lose those sleepless nights worrying about your finances, and you might lose your poor health and replace it with the happy, vibrant you that you were designed to be. So visit the website on the screen, order your Body Balance today, and get started living the life of your dreams. Thank you for watching.